Wow, this Mandarin duck is absolutely stunning. Want to know some cool facts? Check this out! The male has super vibrant feathers with a mix of orange, purple, and green, making them the center of attention everywhere. But unlike the males, female Mandarin ducks are more low-key with brownish-gray feathers to help them stay hidden from predators. And get this, Mandarin ducks are different from other ducks because they love to perch and nest in trees. Pretty unique, right? Another fun fact, they are super loyal. Mandarin ducks stay with their partners for life. Relationship goals. Originally from East Asia, but now you can find them in Europe and America.